Hi everyone! So today I wanted to record my laser facial that I'm getting done at Skin Laundry. This is the third ultra fractional laser that I'm getting. So before I started getting the ultra fractional, I was getting the regular YAG and the IPL. So that is more for like deep cleaning your pores and fine lines, and the downtime was like maybe like a day or two. It was very little downtime, so I really enjoyed it. But these past couple of sessions I've been doing the ultra fractional to remove my acne scars. It is more painful. There is a little more downtime. I feel like for me, when I get the ultra fractional, I have to avoid makeup. I have to avoid makeup for at least a week, even though they say you're allowed to wear makeup 24 hours after you get the laser done. I prefer not wearing makeup for like an entire week while my skin is healing. So because this is my third session, that means I haven't been wearing makeup for about 3 weeks now. So that's just personal preference. You don't have to avoid wearing makeup. I just like to let my skin breathe and heal while it's kind of healing these old acne scars. So yeah, it's really short. It's about like 15 minutes long. Once I'm done, I want to show you guys how my skin looks because it's pretty tender and red. It feels like a sunburn. So yeah, we're gonna go in right now. Alright guys, so I'm back home now. It's been a few hours since I got the laser facial done. When we were done, I was super red. I was bright red. It looked like I just had a bad suntan. So since then, a couple of hours have passed. My skin has calmed down a little bit. It's still slightly red, and I'm sure tomorrow it'll look a little more pink, not so red. So yeah, before I started getting the fractional laser at Skin Laundry, I was getting the basic signature laser facial, and that's more for like deep cleansing your pores, and it also helps with fine lines, but it's mostly to clean your skin. I felt like when I would get that service done, my skin felt a lot more cleaner. It felt like I got a good exfoliation. So I decided to try the fractional laser because I want to work on getting rid of my old acne scars that happened during my teen years when I had a lot of cystic acne, and my main problem is texture. Not so much hyperpigmentation, but more texture. I have like little divots on both of my cheeks, so I'm trying to work on that. And yeah, so when I first got the laser, which was about 3 weeks ago, I think you're only supposed to get this done like once a week. So yeah, I started 3 weeks ago, and the first time I did it, we started off at, apparently there's 3 levels to the laser. We started off with level 1, and I remember I felt the same. It felt like really hot. It felt like a really bad suntan. The second time I went, which was last week, we did level 1 as well. I was hoping we could do level 2, but because I told the girl that was doing the facial, I was telling her that I did have a little bit of not patchiness, but a little bit of flaky skin and some tightness. So she thought it would be best to just do level 1. But today I asked the girl if she can do level 3, which is the highest that they can do. Now, in terms of pain, it is a little painful, especially level 3, which is the highest. It almost feels like a hot derma roller just being rolled on your skin. It feels kind of like a little prickling sensation, a little bit of heat, and it kind of feels like your skin's being scraped, which is really weird because it's a laser. There's nothing sharp or anything like that. It's just a laser, but that's just the sensation that you get. It did hurt a little bit, but it's nothing that I cannot handle. I've actually had laser hair removal, so I feel like that's worse. That's in terms of pain. So if you've had laser hair removal, you can definitely tolerate this pain. I do feel kind of bad for not filming this when I first started doing these treatments, but I was really shy about it, and I finally got the courage to do it now on my third appointment. I want to show you guys what my skin looked like before I started getting these laser facials done. It's pretty bad. My skin looks pretty angry and upset. I'm hoping the laser facial can help with a lot of the texture that I have on my cheeks. So according to Skin Laundry's website, the fractional laser, it's a laser treatment that utilizes unique technology to help smooth fine lines and wrinkles, improve overall skin texture and skin strength, and produce microscopic channels to allow our medical grade serums to penetrate deep into the skin, boosting their effectiveness. Now, that's about the only information that I've been able to get about the type of laser that they use. It is proprietary, so there's not a lot of information about the type of laser that they're using, but I have noticed a huge difference after the first treatment. My skin feels a lot softer, a lot more smoother, and I have noticed that the lines on my face have been reduced. So the reason why I wanted to go for laser treatment instead of like a chemical peel or anything like that is because the downtime for a chemical peel is a lot longer than getting a laser facial done. You can actually start wearing makeup 24 hours after you get this done. I don't recommend it. I personally don't like to do it. I like to let my skin take a break, rest a little bit, put on as much serum, essence, a lot of the good stuff, because your skin is basically open. I don't know if that makes any sense, but after the laser, like, you can definitely feel your skin is like open, and you can just put serum on and it just absorbs it. But yeah, I do recommend it if you're looking for something to help with your acne scarring, if you have like little divots like I do, like skin texture problems or hyperpigmentation. I am a firm believer in laser technology, not just with laser hair removal, but like skin resurfacing and all of that stuff. I just feel like it's more effective, and I love that there's very little downtime. So you can go to work the next day, you can work out, you can step out, you can, you know, go on with your life without getting time off work or anything like that. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. If you're interested in getting the laser facial, they do offer I think it's the signature laser facial for free the first time. That's the one that cleanses your pores, it helps with fine lines. It's not like the one that I got today. The one that I got today was way more intense, and I believe it's a different laser. For the signature laser, it's a YAG, and That one doesn't hurt as much. It almost reminds me of the laser hair removal, and it kind of looks like it too. So I'm definitely going to keep you guys posted, show you guys all the progress and how my skin has changed so much since I've signed up for Skin Laundry. They also have a membership plan, which I do recommend. It's a lot cheaper than getting the single treatments. So yeah, you might want to check it out. So that's it for my video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Have you guys had any laser facial treatments done before? What do you guys think about it? Did it hurt? Did it not hurt? Did you guys see any results? Yeah, just let me know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.